Hey everybody, had a Land Cruiser show up this morning that lost power driving down the highway, and we went to pull it into the shop and noticed a very disconcerting sound. So this is definitely not what you want to hear going down the road. Put it in gear. So I checked the level of the T-case, and I can't feel anything in the dipstick hole, and climbed under here to loosen the drain plug, and it is finger tight. So let's see if anything comes out, and if any chunks. Oh, and that is not good. Yeah, the transfer case appears to have been empty. So there's your problem. Looks like we're probably going to be getting a new transfer case for this one, because I doubt there's much salvageable inside if we take it apart to rebuild it with the noise it was making.